What is going on, YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great Saturday today. In this video, we're going to talk about my latest mod I did on the Mark 7 here. It is a 034 Motorsports Dogbone mount, and let me tell you guys, it's made a pretty good improvement overall for the car drivability. And I didn't do a video on it because it's really straightforward, guys. You just jack up the car, make sure the front's level, undo one 21mm bolt, insert the Dogbone mount, which fits perfectly, and then you're gonna tighten it. You're gonna torque it down to 75 foot-pounds, and you are good to go. Got some cops right here. So yeah, guys, really easy install. Helps with wheel hop. The front of the car, when you're doing hard accelerations, it just feels more planted. The car kind of squats almost. I don't know. It's just a good improvement, and you can definitely feel it right away. This thing really does help with the shifts. Like, your shifts just feel more precise. It engages like the next gear easier, I feel like, because the engine's rocking back and forth a little bit less. Now, it's not like a crazy mod, but it's definitely one that you're gonna notice. And for the price point that it's at around $35 to $40, it's a excellent bargain mod. Definitely recommend it. Easy to install. So yeah, guys, that's the latest mod on the Mark 7 here. So I'm planning on getting tuned in a bit. I just have to get a Cobb access port so I can get a custom tune from one of the companies here. So that's what I'm planning on doing here shortly, guys. Stay tuned for that. And this thing's gonna be a fucking beast. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.